Bitcoin was developed as the first peer-to-peer cryptocurrency where something of value can be exchanged between two people without the need for a middleman. The early implications are remittance payments. So someone working, let's say in the United States, can immediately transfer something of value back to their family, let's say in Mexico, South America, or China instantly without the need for a payment solutions provider like Western Union to send the payment. Now that's just the first low-hanging fruit of cryptocurrency. But what we've created here is a censorship-resistant, immutable form of digital value that can embed records such as property rights onto a blockchain, and we can agree that all those property rights exist in one place. In the developing world, property rights are a huge issue. In fact, there's about $6 trillion worth of unlocked capital in the developing world because they just don't have a good standard of property rights. For instance, if you travel to Central America and you might ask somebody where they'll live, they tell you, well, go up to the bodega, make a right, and then he's the third house on the left. There's no correct street addresses, and no one can agree that one person owns that property. When you can agree on something such as a property right, then the bank can give you credit for that asset. Or if someone wants to buy it, they can go get a loan from the bank. And so this unlocks $6 trillion, an immense amount of capital in the developing world. And not only does this provide banking services for the 2 billion people who are unbanked in the world, but it can also provide government services that aren't properly provided currently.